Running inside a garage caused 5 children and their mother to be hospitalized for carbon monoxide poisoning in Fort Worth.
Yeah, firefighters actually called to this home about 8 o'clock last night on the south side of the city because of one child who knew exactly what to do. Fox Sports' Ticia Muzinga live to explain. Ticia.
Yeah, good morning, Lauren. One of the children actually called 911 complaining that the mother was acting unusual. Now, Fort Worth Fire Rescue, they did find the mother and also the child who called for help. Now, once they got inside their home on Orleans Lane, the mother immediately passed out as well, and she was taken outside. 4 more children were inside the home, and fire crews found them at the bottom and top of the staircase. They were also taken outside, and we don't know how old the children are, but investigators say they are in critical condition from carbon monoxide poisoning. All 6 victims are in the hospital. Now, if one of the children had not called for help, there could have been a different story this morning.
Child who dialed 911. It sounds like from everybody that I've talked to here on scene, she saved her family's life tonight.
Fire crews were not wearing protective gear when they got everyone out of the house. They eventually put on their gear and went back inside to do another search. No one else was found in the home, but 5 Fort Worth fire rescue members were taken to the hospital due to the high carbon monoxide levels, and they believe, as you mentioned, that the car inside the garage was to blame for the carbon monoxide poisoning. For Good Day, I'm Ticia Muzinga.
Thank you, Ticia.